Hello, my beautiful friends. Hello, my fans. Thank you all so much. Thank you for being there. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your help. God Almighty bless you. Thank you so much. Much love, guys. Hello, guys. Una know say I've talk am before. Say anytime I see news when be say go help my people, I go always come aside come talk. I said I not see am, you understand? So I dey very happy because I know say many of our sisters, our brother, then they into difficulty of house. Many don't lose house, you understand? They don't lose house as in not be say because they not see money to pay rent, but because of one or two things. Landlord don't tell them say mona leave the house, I won't sell the house. So many, some just husband go dey here, wife go dey here, they have to shell theirself go carry one room, wetin they go do. Many now even dey outside. My sister, my brother, make una come. Opportunity dey for you to buy house. Government don make am easy for families to buy house for this Italy. The opportunity wey dey be say the most important is say your paper dey regular, your paper dey read work, or you dey autonomous be say you get your own personal business wey be say e dey read work, you dey pay tax and e don dey read work for 2 years before now. So you fit apply for this buying of house. And secondly, this buying of house na for Emilia Romagna. You wey dey Torino, Milano, Rome, no, you no fit participate. Na for people wey dey Emilia Romagna na im go fit apply for this buying of house. So my people, the good news wey dey be say government stand gidigba say im wan help families. Yes, families wey be say they dey regular, e go help them with half of the money when they want to buy the house. So houses dey for outskirts of the cities, outskirts of city, like outskirts of Bologna, outskirts of Modena, outskirts of Padova, you understand, outskirts of Parma. Houses dey when be say government wan sell. And this city now, this city when me dey talk about, so e get the city wey they call Apennino. Na outskirts, na for inside this Emilia Romagna. Yeah. So those city now, government now they want sell these houses and one for cheaper rates. Yeah, very cheap and affordable. The good news when they be say government, the price for this house now start from 10,000 to 30,000. Government come say it go help. Maybe for instance, you see apartment of 10,000 for this cities, for this outskirt when me they talk now, for this Apennino, you see apartment of 10,000. Government go bring 5,000. Then you go add 5,000 to take buy this house. I know say most of them go say as everywhere hard the ratio get me want see 5,000. My dear, as far that you are working, they say you go bank. Not be say they say oh, now the law when dey. Yeah, you go bank, go ask for loan of 5,000 to take join the one where government give you. You go buy the house. After 2 years, now you go start to dey refund the money small. Una know, yeah, not be like our country where we say maybe you not see pay for this month. They will say come off for us. So no, they're not. They do like that. They will give you time for you to refund the money small. The now make they say now people when be say that they work now go fee participate. You dey work, you dey autonomous. Wetin dey important is say you dey regular, you dey pay your tax. So my people, this city of Apennino na outskirt in dey, blue bus na im dey reach there. So how you go take apply for this domanda na me wan talk. So you go get easy when it start from 0 to 15,000. Maybe your easy start from, let me say, from 400 euro to 15,000. You fit apply for this buying of house. And the age when be say go see participate to apply for this buying of house, it go be say, my dear, your age start from 18 years to 40 years. If you dey 45, 46 to 50 to 60, no, you no go fit apply for this buying of house. Now from 18 till 40, I don't know why they put am like that. Maybe government get their reasons. Now you go fit participate to buy this house, and your easy go start from 400 to 15,000. You understand? E go happen to be say you don still dey this Emilia Romagna. Now you dey stay, now you forget resident, and your documents now don read Lavoro for 2 years before now, my dear. Go, come, go and apply for this Domada. Yes, trust me, na really great favor. If it be say you see apartment for this asket when me dey talk now for 30,000, government go help you with 15. You now go ask for loan of 15 to take complete and to buy the house. New house with garden, fine buildings. I will leave the photos for here, my sisters, my brother. Many of our sisters, some of them don't come up for Italy. They go another country just because house is not there. Like my city, house not there. They know who they give foreigners. They give foreigners, but my country, Nigeria, no, they don't give them. They said most of them, they key house. We know the story now. This one a big opportunity. Please share this video. Share. This one a big opportunity and a very good news. You can imagine having to see an apartment of 20,000, and Blue Bus they reach there. See an apartment of 20,000. Government go give you 10,000. You go ask for loan. They go give you, not say because John go, they not give her for that reason. They not go give you. They go give you. Now make they say now people when they work now go fee apply for this buying of house, my dear. They will give you. Trust me. They go give you. This one are good news. This deadline of this Domada go start on the 15th of September where we dey. So then the 15th of September till 15th of October, now the deadline go dey. As in the Domada go take finish. 15th of September they go start the Domada till 15th of October. So my people, put yourself together. This one of opportunity when you take become landlord and landlady. Just try. There's no harm in trying. They know they pay money for Domada. No say Amaka tried, they not mind for that reason. My dear, go and try. Yes, before 2-3 years now, you don't become you, as in you don't get your home house. I know it be like saying that God now even touch Italo, now touch the Italian government. We be say they see say many families, people don't they complain, they not get house. The landlords them we get house now, they as in they're wicked. I don't really know, especially when they know say you be Nigerians. They go from poor ask for Anucho. Immediately you just call them, please. Oh, they'll tell you say they don't rent a house, not they not today. Many people now they street. Now make government now bring this opportunity very easy, my dear, for you to have a house. Please don't allow this opportunity to pass you by. An individual fee apply. The most important thing say your age day from 18 to 40 years. You fee apply. My dear, you feel apply. Yes, trust me. Please share this video. Thank you. So my people, we all know the story. We know the story. Say our house now be waiting be say they keep us for this country. Yeah. Now house, our strength now they keep many people. Our strength, it cost, as in it really cost. So this one opportunity when be say you go take become landlord and landlady. And lest I forget, this house is where we dey talk. So if you be say you buy am, you don't now you not be say you want go buy am, you go begin pack people put as rent. Say you want to make game, because nothing where they know they see for hand of Nigerians man talker. Not be say you want come up for where you dey now, you go buy the house, you go begin pack people inside there. They make noise. No. Now for people when be say go stay there. If you buy and you go stay there, get resident for there. You understand? Now make government won't use half of the money to help. But if it can't happen to be say you don't want stay there, you won't go put people, and government can't scope it. So government can't see say no be you they stay there, or say you buy and they do business. They say government go ask you the money back. That money when be say government adds join for you to buy the house, he say you go pay them back to government. So now for people when be say that they stranded families, you know, an individual, anybody, a single, you won't go stay there. Now government go take help you. You go do your resident for there, then you go they live fine without any stress. You understand me? So now my people, so this one opportunity, we know say some of our sisters, our brother, they outside house not there, especially the city when I dey, especially for this Emilia Romagna gongogo, they know they give black house. Yes, trust me, when you even see fine apartment where they just put for no show, they just, as in, they won't rent the house out, immediately you call, they understand saying a foreigner you be. Foreigner get foreigner, I mean Nigerians. Even some Ghana that they do it, they as in, especially wetin dey important say you na black. If they no say you be black, if you like get temple, they go tell you say no, say they don't rent out. Na lie, the landlords they prefer make the house dey there for years they waste, instead of them say they will come give am, because they say if they give some of our Nigeria house, they know the parents. Just come straight. Some of our Nigerians, they know the parents. They don't knock many houses. They can't spoil show for the good Nigerians. I mean, some Nigerians when they be say, you rent apartment. How much you rent apartment? Let me say 600 euro. You 2 rooms and parlor. You carry 2 rooms out. Let me say 220 or 230. How much you need to have join this money to take pay rent? How much? No, they collect the rent, join their own, they chop and 5 naira. They no go give who get house. Who get house? The only money wey be say who get house see for her, na for money for the beginning when they won't just take carry the apartment. Na landlord see. The remaining one, landlord go call. He go even carry the case go court. Maybe if they reach court now, they can't see say pikin dey the house. They go call say okay, may they give them nothing. So maybe nothing 1 year, may they take 5 hours before they come bring later for them. May they take 5. They no want drive them immediately just because of baby when be say they involved. Una dey do that thing, una fit say na person una dey do. See now, una use am affect the good people. People now wan carry house now, they no see house una. Especially one that una don see so una don tire for the country, una wan relocate. Not be those one where they go Germany that they talk again. Una go settle down, whole rent, as in whole rent like 8 months or 1 year. And the people wanna put for inside, una not go tell them, those one go just the parents give una hoping say una will be the landlord, una will be we get carry the house, say una they pay landlord. Whereas for where una not they pay landlord. The house don't even knock. Una go see there where una they collect money for rent. If God punish una tomorrow now, una go say God punish una. You get one lady like that. Now what did she do now? She won't comot, she hold rent more than a year. She even still get the mind to write and come outside say she won't travel and she won't put people for the room. Come put people for the room for where she dey send the person say may go dey collect rent for the tenant and when she put for the house won't be say you no get. Is that no wickedness? So where you can't travel go now, go ask for asilo. If they pursue you for there, they come. You feel say if you come this country, you go see house again. He pay me for the people when be say rent the house, because when police connect, just tell them say give them 90 1 month. Let me say he give the 94 weeks time, make them think find house. If not, Kara go come throw away their things outside, because they don't give the woman long time. 1 good year now they give this woman to take find house. She know. She pack rent put, they collect money. Tell me why any Italian person now won't give foreigner, won't give especially Nigeria house. Why they won't give house? Because some of our Nigerians, they knock the houses, they kill house. So may God forgive una, but my beautiful Nigeria people, the good ones with good minds, please, opportunity there for you to buy house, for you to become your own landlord and landlady. Please, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Go, as in any question at all, leave her for comment section. I go reply you. I go tell you how you go take go. How you go take it easy for you to take apply for this house. Thank you. Much love. Much love. Thank you. Love you guys so much. Thank you.